Ibahagi natin ang naging post ni Romina Eunice Lansang Castro. It's been a long time coming with all these achievements. Billboard Japan Top 100, number 6 Top Download Songs, number 17 Billboard Japan Top Album Sales Chart, number 7 Oricon Chart, USA nomination, number 2 Line Music Chart, Genius Lyric Chart, and CD Japan Top 10 Best-Selling Physical Album in 2025. Summer Sonic Music Festival for 2 days. So sa lahat po ng nabanggit na ito, alam na po natin ang rason kung bakit talagang umuwi ng Pilipinas ang CEO ng Summer Sonic na si Naoki Shimizu upang panuorin mismo ang SB19 at yun na nga, napatunayan sa sarili niya and yun, pasok ang SB19 sa Summer Sonic sa dalawang event na ito. Samantala, kamakailan lamang ay nagkaroon ng kanyang sariling debut dito sa Pilipinas ang isang JP Pop na si Nanao. Mula sa Manila concert scene, KDR Music House officially introduced its JP Pop, Japanese-Filipino pop artist Nanao, during the launch of her debut single Pito Pito last night under JFK Music. Well, ito po ay noong May 27. Nanao shared that she has been singing since childhood and comes from a musically inclined family. She also revealed her dream of collaboration with P-pop acts in the future, particularly SB19, adding that she hopes to personally meet his favorite member of SB19, Ken Suson, someday. Nanao also teased that more songs are on the way along with upcoming live appearances soon. Isa po sa kinanta niya sa nasabing debut niya ay ang Mapa, na kung saan ay favorite ni Nanao. Samantala, narito po ang kanyang naging interview sa press.
会ったことはなくて、私が剣を好きになった理由が、ちょっと長くても大丈夫ですか？日本の YouTube チャンネルのファーストテイクっていう First Take っていうチャンネルがあって、そこに SB19 の皆さんが出演されたんですけど、そのゲントの動画でなんかセカンドコーラスでなんかケンがカメラに向かってなんかこんな感じのなんか仕草をするシーンがあって、そこうわかっこよってなって、それがきっかけです。
The reason why she loves Ken is because when she first saw the Gento in First Take, which is the channel on Japan, music channel in Japan, there's this place in the song where Ken did something like this in the camera that makes her like it took her heart.
So hope to see you together in one stage with Ken. Congratulations.
Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.